Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what to do. I'm out here grinding. How about you? It's your boy Wavy J, and I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Now let's get into it, bro. Cause you already know, bro. If you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. Don't forget to subscribe to your boy. If you are new and want to be part of the crew, go ahead and subscribe to your boy, cause it's getting real wavy in the gravy. Let's hop in this baby and get real crazy, bro. Cause we going crazy all 2022. Okay, what you want to do first is detangle your hair with the comb. Make sure everything's lifted from the scalp. Make sure that you're using a mirror so that you can see your angles and brush correctly. Go ahead and show love by dropping a like, a comment, subscribe to your boy, and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever I drop another banger, bro. I ain't gonna force y'all though, bro. Only if you rocking with me deeply, go ahead and do all that, bro. If not, don't do it. And now that your hair is lifted up from the scalp, let's go ahead and get to that shampoo for that first wash. Okay, we're getting real up close and personal. Let's get this first washing with your hair and get a detangling brush. So first add a little bit of shampoo and get this first wash coming in. Typically the first wash is just used to wash out all the oils and products off your hair. So for straight hair wavers, I recommend you don't scramble wash because you can lose progress like that. So I only recommend it once you have your pattern set. You know, as I said before, this is the first wash that I'm doing, so the lather's not gonna be there, so don't judge. Just do a detangling brush, use it for about a good 4 minutes. Just detangle your hair with water and soap. Then when I finish with the detangling brush, I grab my comb and I comb my hair out with the soap still on my hair. Now that we finished that, go ahead and rinse your hair out with water to get ready for that second wash. Once you rinse your hair out, go ahead and get that shampoo. We're gonna add a little bit more. Go ahead and apply your shampoo according to your pattern as you were brushing, but except do it with your hands. Once you apply the shampoo, grab your detangling brush and bless you. But go ahead and proceed with detangling your hair with a detangling brush according to your pattern. I don't know if y'all could tell my cheek, but on my left side is normal, but if you check onto the right side, it's kind of swollen. And then you know you're going to get some shampoo in your eye, especially if you're brushing. And the reason why it's swollen is because I got a toothache on my right cheek, and it's pretty annoying, bro. Like, I didn't want to film this video, but I was like, let me still go ahead and do it because you guys been asking me for this video. Now that you finish with your detangling brush, grab your brush and add some soap to it so it helps it lather up. Then you're gonna rub it in like so and add a little bit of water. But you gotta make sure it's warm water so it could activate the lather in your hair and it could pop out again. When you're brushing, make sure you do it calm strokes. That's why I didn't speed it up, so you guys can see the calm strokes, because you don't want to be brushing like a crackhead, like speeding it up real fast, because that's just going to damage your head and you're not going to be doing no progress. already know if it ain't looking like whipped cream, then it ain't clean, my boy. Hair waver, you gotta apply these type of oils. This is a jojoba oil. You could get it at any beauty supply. After you apply it, go ahead and continue brushing, but add a little bit of warm water so it could activate the lather again. As a straight hair waver, whenever you're washing your hair, you're not gonna be seeing noodles like other type of textures. So after you've been finished your brush session, which usually takes about a good 10 to 15 minutes, go ahead and lay the hair down with your hands and apply your durag. If you don't know where to get this breathable durag, make sure it has holes in them in order to wash all the products out, because if you don't do that, you're still gonna have product in your hair and it's gonna be hard and stiff. If you don't know where to get it, check the link in my description. Use code WavyJ15 for 15% off. Once you let those 6 hours pass by, do not dry off your hair with a blow dryer. Let it do naturally for 6 hours, and once you do that, go ahead and unrag and do the moisturizing process, which I did drop a video, so if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and check it. Cause you already know, bro, if you ain't spinning, you ain't winning. It's wait for days, baby. And if you guys are looking for the best silkies in the game, check the link in my description. Use code WavyJ15 for 15% off. Y'all see all the silky durags I got back there? They really hooked your boy up. Go ahead and check them out. They really work with you guys. I'm gonna be dropping a video on a wolf cut. I'm currently sitting on about a 9, almost 10 week wolf, and we're gonna cut it down very soon. I'm gonna drop a video for you guys. And also, it's a must to have this breathable durag, bro, so you can wash all that product out. If you don't know where to get it, check the link in my description. Use code WavyJ15 for 15% off, bro. You already know. And this is a picture of later that day. You already know, if you ain't spinning, you ain't winning, bro. Go ahead and add my platforms, WavyJ1 on Instagram, and my other Instagram, Wavy Reacts with a Z. And also add my TikTok, WavyJ1. Go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe to your boy. And it's your boy Wavy J. We out.